Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to talk about the Marvel Legends 12-inch na action figure na Deadpool na kinustom repaint natin. It is done and really happy about regarding this action figure. Super big compared to the 6-inch na line nila. This is the 6 inches na Wolverine action figure. Yung sobrang laki ni Deadpool. Tuwan-tuwa rin ako sa size nito. And kasi pag malaki yung canvas, talagang gusto ko rin mag-paint ng dun sa malalaking real estate nung action figure. Malaking space so you can put more paints on it. Kaya nag-enjoy talaga ako sa proseso na to. So yung process na ginawa natin dito, comic book paint style, clear primer, shadows, highlight 01, highlight 02, line art, and top coat. So if you want to see the whole custom repaint process, punta kayo sa Patreon mga ma'am sir. So if you want to become a part of our Patreon na member, punta lang kayo dun sa link in the description down below. Ito yung mga perks ng membership. So by becoming a member, you get exclusive access to Patreon only toy custom repaint tutorials. Ito pangalawang video na Patreon only, Patreon exclusive yung gagawin natin dito kay Deadpool and Wolverine. Live streams, paint techniques, high-res photos of portfolio ng customized toys, early access to YouTube videos, unboxing and reviews, art materials for creating custom repaints, process videos, work in progress, behind the scenes, workspace, and shout outs. So that's it. Ila-launch lang natin yung mga Patreon na exclusive na mga projects natin para magkaroon tayo ng extra income. Yung extra income na makakollect natin dito, gagamitin natin back into the business. Bibili tayo ng maraming toys, na maraming materials, so I can put out more and more toy content for you guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to become a VIP member, punta lang kayo dun sa link in the description down below. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.